Okay, we're gonna do a bike ride now from the lighthouse, but instead of going east, we're gonna go west on St. George Island. It's a beautiful day. It's like 68 degrees, sunny, a little bit of a breeze, no humidity, and no bugs. Beautiful. So we're starting off here at BJ's Pizza. Ooh, and more. I'm gonna try that out. BJ's. Serving St. George Island since 1990. And there's the water tower. And the donut shops to the left. And this is the real estate agent. Book your rental. Book your rental week. Book it now. Hurry up. There's some more places going up. This place is all rebuilt since that hurricane. I'm saying it's all new. And the bike path's nice. Oh, sand on it. But other than that, it's nice. And no big bumps. Look at these new ones. Gray and yellow and blue. Very nice. So now we're heading west for a bike ride. Where it takes us, I don't know. But there's a real nice beach at the end. You can bring your dogs on the beach here, you know. So if you got a dog, Ruby's gonna come here. We're gonna bring Ruby here one day. Get her all full of sand. Look at these beautiful brand new buildings they've rebuilt. I could still hear them working on them. I hear saws going. No golf carts on a bike path allowed. This one's for sale. That's like a peach color. Peachy cream. Peachy cream. So this is our second bike ride on the island. We went east last time, all the way to the end to the state park. Look at that little tiny house. It's for rent. It's got a golf cart. A lot of beach homes. St. George Island, with no traffic on it. Zero. The time to come is now. This is the best weather. I don't know how much better you want the weather here. You know, summertime's too hot. That's not for me. Too buggy and too buggy. Hot, muggy, and buggy. This one's for sale. Oh no, it's some guy's doing a deck there. It's a sign. Here's an older one. It survived. It's got an old deck on there and everything. It survived it. You can see the dunes being built here. You see that? Between the road and the homes, there's a dune. Here's an older one there. This one's boarded up. Look at that. Look like they didn't fix it yet. That's in bad shape. Look at that little one. Yeah, some didn't get fixed yet since that Hurricane Michael coming through. They got a good view up there. There's the ocean right there. Nice homes there too. We're have to drive down that street with the bikes. This is the main road with the bike path. Oh, it looks like an A-frame with a blue roof. And that one's got lime green shingles. Huh. That sticks out. Can't miss that one. Next one's for sale. Anchor Real Estate. If you don't like that one, just go to the next one. That's for sale too. See that? That's got a pool. See the fence? That's the pool. Hey, there's a nice name. Deja Blue. Vic. Deja Blue. Huh. There's an old one. That one survived because it was behind these dunes. Look at that. It got protected, I think. That's an old one. It's got a new roof. Looks like a new metal roof. Survived a hurricane. See? There's a dune in front of it. Okay. Oh, they're building here. Looks like they're excavating for a new house. New rental. Oh, there's a motorhome. Someone's got a Tiffin, open road. Got it parked. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna stop the video for a while and I'll turn it back on later. See ya. Hey, you got the music playing, man. Cool. Here's Once Upon a Dune. Once Upon a Dune, get it? Very nice. Hey, it's got oyster flag. It had a flag made out of oysters. The stars were oysters. That's a nice pool right there. You're all set. You got a pool. Got a carport. That's called a Pink Flamingo. There you go. Look like they're working on it, like everything else. Here's an empty lot. Used to be a house there, ain't there now. There will be one, guaranteed. This is nice and shaded here. Very nice. Boy, look at all the oysters around those bushes. Those are oysters. Huh. A driveway edged with oysters. That's the way to do it when you're on the island. There's another one going up. They're going up like crazy, man. They're like multiplying like rabbits. House here and a house there. Oh, look at the pelican thing there. That's pretty nice. That's a nice house. Look at that. Triple decker. The Blue Pelican. The Blue Pelican. Daddy's money. Ah, that's a good one. Name of that place is called Daddy's Money. Daddy's Money. These triple deckers are pretty high. That's called Jolly Times. What's this one? Rather be golfing. Ah, what a G-U-L-F-F. Or G-U-L-F. Rather be golfing. Get it? Rather be golfing. That's cool. Funny names. Nice ones on this side too. I didn't look at this side. Very nice. Oh, for sale. Show them by appointment. Right there. And there's Beach Joy, a roundhouse. And it's got an oyster flag too. See that? That's the cool thing to do. Make a flag with oysters. And then do your driveway with, look at another driveway with oysters. They got a pool on the side. 2 carports. Perfect. These guys got 3 boats. Pick your boat for today. There's a little house right there. Huh. Another oyster flag. Those are little ones. Oh, those are shells. That's made out of shells. My mistake. That's a shell flag. Nice bike path. Especially when there's nobody on it. There's some more oysters. See, they're all doing a driveway with oysters. See that? I guess that's the way to do it here. First you got to eat them. And then you got to put the shells out. And that's going to have to do a lot of eating. Watch out for that thing on the path. Here's a yellow one. I got a fenced in pool too in the back. It's for sale. Very nice. Another triple decker with a pool up front. What's this called? 2 for 1. Huh. That's 2 for 1. And these are all, they got nice landscaping here. Like they on this side have good, they got trees. Not many trees on this island, that's for sure. Another triple decker. Sleeps 18. They had one advertised, says it sleeps 18 people. 18 in one house. That'd be something. You'll never sleep. There's a nice one. Brand new. Look at those stairway. Whew. That's got an invisible fence. Another one for sale. 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Beach Peach. Is that a nice name? Beach Peach is for sale. I'm telling you, it's like half the island's for sale, if not more. That one's way back there in the woods. Can't even see it. Maniac. Woo. Man, you see that maniac go down? What a maniac, huh?
I know. He's on the
Hey, that's a nice house. Look at that one, Vic. Jolly Roger Reynolds. I like that. Look at the deck up on top. Then they got the thing up there on the very top. You can walk out of that door. Uh-oh. Bike route ended. That's private in there. That's the plantation. St. George Plantation would have got private gate community. That's all the Ritzies live. This is a neat place. I want to live here. Jolly Roger rents them all. That's a nice place. All right, let me go back. I gotta go back and find Vicky. We're at the end of the bike route here. At the west end. Okay, let's go to the public beach. Oh boy, they're all parked there. Look at that. Here it is. Want to stop? I want to stop a minute. No overnight camping at the public beach. Look at this place. I gotta show you the beach. Hang on. Hope my bike doesn't fall. It says here public beach access. They got pet bags. Dog must be on a leash. Clean up after your dog. Let me show you this beach. I'll walk out here a minute. It's beautiful. There's nobody on it, man. Just the time to come. Look at this. Here's some people with their dog. Look at that. That's looking west. Right there. That lady's waving. I'm going to wave back. And look over this way, and we're going to be looking east. Look at that, all along here. Look at that beautiful beach. It's immaculate. Man, who needs the keys? This reminds me of the Outer Banks. That's what this reminds me of. Okay. That's the beach at the end of the island on the west side. The public access. There's parking here for a few cars. Like there's a Tioga here, motorhome, and truck here from Wisconsin. Hey! Now she took off on me. Alright. Let's keep going. I'm gonna get myself stuck in this place. Let's get going. That's a nice place. Got a pool right on the beach. That one's all shuttered up. See, that's all you need. Bingo. Right at the end of the beach. You got your kayak there. Pretty good. Another one right there. That's, you got to cross the road though. Looks like it survived the hurricane. One of the few. I like that yellow one. It's called Seafarer. So you got a little deck out in front. You could hear the surf. This is a nice place. Look at that, triple decker. Perfect. The beach walker. Huh. Very nice. Here's another one. This is called Jolly Man. Jolly Man. Someone's here from Quebec. Oh, here's another flag. It's got seashells. A seashell flag. Look how nice that ocean looks, Vic. I'm gonna stand up. Look at that. Oh man, we gotta come out here with the dog. They're from Maryland. I guess they're renting here. Maybe they own it. Car piece. Huh. Another one. This one survived it, looks like. This is an older home. Oceans 1116. Oceans 1116. That's a good name. Oh, it's a brick one. Look at this, Vic. They'll survive any hurricane. That's the kind you want. Something made out of brick like that. Firestone. What do they call that stuff? That stuff they use for firewalls. That kind of stone. It's not a stone, it's a brick. Now here's another public access. That guy's from Georgia parked here. Here's one from Colorado. All the way from Colorado to come to the beach. See how nice the landscaping is? I like that. Buns in the sun. Sleeps 10. Buns in the sun. Cakey's Cottage. Another rental. Hey, a roundhouse. Look at that. Big doors out front on the ocean side. That's pretty neat. Looked like that survived the hurricane. That's not new. Huh. Who's here? They're from Missouri, looks like, and Florida. Another big place. Look at that. Brand new. Brand new. There's more on the other side of the street. Huh?
Did you see that name?
No, what did it say?
Dole, one word, and then Esile.
Ah, Dole Esile.
It's round.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh. Dole Esile. Huh. Catch the Wave. That's the name of that one. Here's an older one. Look, it survived. See, I like these older ones. They have history behind them. Oh, look at this Jeep. Holy cow. Check it out. That's an antique. Oh, it's a Land Rover. Here's another old one. Look at that thing. Whew. Got the swing out and everything. Look at that. I like your spot.
Hey, thank you.
Here's Aqua Hole right there. It's got a nice screened-in porch. Let's see, here's a guy from Ontario, another guy from Iowa. All the way from Iowa. They're here at the beach. See, they got a fair amount of public access here, Vic.
Yeah.
Which is nice. Lulu's Cottage. Look at that one. Lulu's. Huh. You can rent it. And here's a couple for sale. You got this one here, brand new, with a brand new golf cart. Then you got right across the street is this one for sale. So take your pick. Flip a coin. You don't like one, get the other one. That's a nice one. Look at the nice view they got. Man. Very nice. I kind of like this side better. That's a nice blue one with a pool in front. See it? Oh, here's another older one. See, I like these. I like these older styles. Westwind. I think this is a cool looking place. Look at that. It's got windows in the back. See-through from the front to the back. Look at that. That's my kind of place. You don't need anything big and fancy. Big house like that, those big ones, man, you gotta clean them. These things, well, you could clean them like in 2 hours. Not even that, half an hour you get a house clean. This is a nice one. Brick one. It's got oysters all over the driveway. Look at that. Easy does it. That's the name of that one. Here's one they're building with a big crane putting up a metal roof. There it is. And guess what? It'll be for sale. Here's black skimmer. Black skimmer. It's got gated. Gated. On the half shell, Vic. This one's on the half shell. It's got a pull. Hey, I smell some food. When's lunch? I want some. Huh?
Chicken and asparagus.
What are you cooking?
Chicken and asparagus.
Oh man, I'll go for the chicken. Where you guys from Michigan?
Up in the UP?
Yeah, okay. We like it up there. We went to the point there to go see the museum.
Up by Holton or?
Whitefish. Whitefish Point. Way up there.
Okay.
Went to go see the bell of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Yeah, they got it right there in the museum at the lighthouse. We'll see ya. Now I'm gonna get yelled at for talking to people. Here we go. I could hear it now. I'll be there. Here comes a car from Ohio. There's Seahawk. I'll tell you, I like the little ones. Those little flat ones over there that are older. They got some, not this one, but I do. They're easy to clean. Who wants a big house on the beach? You gotta clean the darn thing then.
Clean a little one either, so
And
it doesn't really
man, with all that sand blowing in, you have all that sand dust. It's like being out in the desert. That dust blows in the motorhome even. Can't keep the windows open. Oh, Wisconsin. We're at the beach. I don't know, I think I like this side better than the other side. Oh, I could be wrong, who knows. That's a nice place right there. I like the dormer. Huh. Oh, what's the name of this one? Made in the Shade. Made in the Shade. Yes. And there's a pool there too. Uh-oh, got termites. That's not good. Another pink one. Hey, this is an old one. This looks like a Survivor, Vic. That's a Hurricane Survivor. A Hurricane Michael. Very nice though. I like this. A Turtle's Dream is this one. See, it's green. A Turtle's Dream. That's some people's dream, that's for sure. come down here all winter long. Lazy days. You guys catch anything? Prima Villa. Now this is pretty neat. It's got like a porch all the way around. Sea Watch. There's some bikes down there. Oh, they got an outside bar and they got the pool. They're set. They don't need nothing else. Here's a Survivor again. New roof on it though. That's a Survivor. Happy Endings. With a car from Illinois parked. Happy Endings. Private property. No trespassing. Hey, I like that one. Right on a corner. That's cool. What's the name of this guy? Summer Wind. Very nice. Oh, look at that. They got little, what is that, roses? Look, that's the rose bush. Was that a rose bush? Oh, there used to be a house here. Ain't there no more. That got blown away. See, they got a concrete basement. Nice day out, huh?
Beautiful.
Perfect. Here's Gold Cottage. Huh. Hey, here's another Survivor. Not many survivors, but there's a Survivor right there from the hurricane. See, I like these kind. I like this style. I'm telling you. This is exactly what you need. See that? It's got a driveway here for a motorhome. Look at that. Perfect. Put the motorhome right there. Right next to Twin Peaks. That one's got a deck on it. Hi, how you doing? Son of a Beach. Hey, it's a good one. That's my favorite. Son of a Beach. Son of a Beach. That's got an Old Man in the Sea in the front. What's this one? Oh, there's no name on this one. Oh yeah, it is. On Island Time. Now see, these are the ones, Vic. I like these. These must be the originals. That's my guess. Loggerhead. Loggerhead Cottage. Huh. A long time coming. You can rent that one. Be Happy. That's another good name. What's the name of your cottage? Be Happy. Uh-huh. Oh, this is cool. Check that out. Very cool. Okay. There's Clocked Out. Over there. That's all brand new. Clocked Out. We should go out on this beach. How's the beach?
Gorgeous.
I'm gonna go take a walk out there and see. Vic, watch my bike.
Beautiful waters.
Yeah,
Nobody there.
just the prime time right now.
Okay, girls.
Come on, go ahead.
Yeah. They're that was a little bit of a challenge. Here, why
Oh.
don't you come on up? Yeah,
Oh,
come on up there.
okay.
They're a little bit of a challenge.
Already? I just want to take a look out here.
Huh?
Okay.
No?
Woo! Look at this. Oh, there's some there surf fishing. I see you got their poles out. Look at this beach. Look at that. Now you wonder why I come to St. George's Island. This is why. I'm gonna have to do some surf fishing. Gotta put that on an agenda. Very nice. Wow. That's pretty good. Gotta watch my step. I took a tumble out at the Keys. I fell with the bike. Oh, I was just talking to I was talking to my GoPro here. Alright, here we go. Temptation Island. Temptation Island. Okay. Here's a little one. Buckskahooza. That's a little one. That's pretty tiny. Gosh, that gotta be like 600 square feet. Here's the recovery room. Hey, that's the #1 name. I got a new #1. The recovery room. Hey, I like your bike. It's got electric. Oh God, I'll tell you, that was the best one. That and vitamin C. The recovery room. Here's an older place. See, there's something about that style I like. I don't know what it is. These things are too big. I can't take that. That's too much. Those are too big. Oh, there's a truck camper. What's it called? Cowboys, Rattling Boots and Suits. No, Cowboys, bathing boots and suits. Ah! Oh, let me get through these. Cowboys, bathing boots and suits. Very cool. The Getaway. One fish, two fish. One fish, two fish. Is that the name of a card game? No, that's Go Fish. That's right, that's Go Fish, isn't it? M Ocean. One fish, two fish. Salty Landing to the right. Watch out, here comes a car. .7 miles only so far. Man, I'll tell you, these, I see 80% of this island is brand new. That survived it. Look at, Blue whale. That's what that one's called. Huh. That one survived it. Are these townhouses here or apartments? Huh. Yeah. Huh. We're working on that one. Fix them up and sell them. Yeah, that. These are. What are they? The villas of St. George. Pineapple Paradise. That's pretty cool. That survived the hurricane. I think this is the only motel on the island right here. Pretty old. Survived the hurricane. The Buccaneer Inn. The Buccaneer Inn. There's the Buccaneer. Huh. I think that's the only hotel. Oh, here's another one. Island Suites. They're next to each other. Look at this thin building. Skinny. What do you call them? Skinny buildings? The Blue Parrot. I smell food. Want to stop for something? Oh yeah. Here's the donut shop. Here's some more housing here. One Charleston Place. Hang on a minute, I gotta turn off this camera here.